Hello students, this is experiment number 4 to study and describe the given flowering plant of family Solanaceae and Liliaceae. Write objective of the experiment first. Study and describe a locally available common flowering plant from family Solanaceae and Liliaceae, including dissection and display of floral whorls, anther and ovary to show number of chambers. Write floral formula and draw floral diagram also. After this, write requirements. We require fresh flowers. Here we will take petunia from family Solanaceae and Allium cepa from family Liliaceae. Then we require forceps, blade, slides, needles, cover slips, dissecting microscope and filter paper. Next, write the procedure of the experiment. Write steps which you have to follow to study the flower. Step 1. Obtain fresh flower and observe its color, shape and size. Second, identify different floral whorls as shown in the picture like calyx or sepal, corolla or petal, androecium or stamen and gynoecium or pistil. Third, note whether the flower is pedicellate means having a stalk or sessile means flower without stalk. Then note whether the flower is actinomorphic means flower can be divided into two equal halves by more than one plane, or it is zygomorphic when flower can be divided into two halves only from one plane. Fourth point, then count the number of sepals, petals and stamens. Fifth point, note whether the sepals and petals are free at their ends or they are united. Note estivation of both petals and sepals. Estivation means arrangement of sepals and petals. Sixth point, note whether the stamens are free or they are united. Seventh point, after this, cut transverse section or tiers of ovary and note placentation, that is arrangement of ovules in the ovary. Eighth point, in the last, arrange all floral parts on paper and draw diagrams. Let us start with Petunia alba, which belongs to division Angiospermae, class Dicotyledonnae and family Solanaceae. It is an annual herb. Its roots are tap roots and branched. Stem is herbaceous, erect and hairy, and leaves are simple, ovate shape, alternately arranged, hairy with reticulate type of venation. Flower of petunia is actinomorphic as shown in diagram A given below, and note कीजिए एक्टिनोमॉर्फिक को फ्लोरल फॉर्मूला में मेंशन करने के लिए सिंबल जो यूज किया जाता है वो साइड में बना हुआ है. नेक्स्ट, फ्लावर इज ई ब्रैक्टिएट, इसके लिए सिंबल यूज करते हैं EBR, एंड ई ब्रैक्टिएट मीन्स विदाउट एनी रिड्यूस्ड लीफ at the base of pedicel of flower. It is a pedicellate flower. It is a hypogynous flower as shown in diagram B, means it has superior ovary and all parts of flower arise below the ovary. It is a pentamerous flower, means flower structures are in fives or multiple of 5. It is white or purple in color. It is solitary and bisexual. See the symbol which is used for bisexual in writing the floral formula. There is a circle with plus below and an arrow above. Calyx or sepals. There are 5 sepals. Gamosepalous means they are united at ends. Velvet estivation means sepals meet by their edges without overlapping as shown in diagram given below. Color of sepals is green. Calyx will be represented by symbol K, and 5 number of calyx is written in bracket as they are united with each other. Next, corolla. There are 5 petals which are gamopetalous, united at ends, velvet aestivation, and corolla is tubular in shape. It will be represented by C symbol, and 5 number of petals is written in bracket because petals are united with each other. Androecium or stamens. 5 stamens are there. They are polyandrous, means free stamens. They are epipetalous, means stamens are united with petals. They are inserted, means they remain within the flower. They are basifixed. For this, see the diagram of stamen. The filament is connected to base of anther and it is called as basifixed type of stamen. Androecium will be represented by A5 in floral formula, where A is androecium and 5 is the number of stamen. Now come to gynoecium. Bicarpellary, pistil with 2 carpels. Syncarpous, carpels are fused. Ovary is superior, obliquely placed. Ovary is bilocular with 2 chambers as shown in the diagram. Axile placentation is there. Ovules are present at center. Placenta is swollen. Style is long and stigma is bifid. Gynoecium will be represented by G and 2 carpels with number 2 in bracket as they are fused and with a line below G which is showing superior ovary. Now write floral formula. Read one by one. EBR, ebracteate, actinomorphic, bisexual, calyx, K5 in bracket as they are gamosepalous, corolla, C5 in bracket as they are gamopetalous, androecium, A5 and they are free, so there is no bracket but attached to corolla, so there is a line between C and A. And then write gynoecium G, write 2 along with G in bracket with a line below showing 2 fused carpels with superior ovary. Then draw floral diagram as shown below. Draw all these diagrams in your practical notebook on left side. Draw using sharp pencil with proper margin and neat labeling. Second flower is Allium cepa, onion. It belongs to division Angiospermae, class Monocotyledonnae and family Liliaceae. It is a perennial herb having fibrous root system and stem is underground bulb. A cluster of radical leaves emerges from underground bulb. Leaves are cylindrical in shape and fleshy with parallel type of venation. Inflorescence. Arrangement of flowers on axis is called inflorescence. Inflorescence in Allium cepa is of umbellate sign, in which the inflorescence axis peduncle, which is called scape in case of onion, arising from ground, bearing a cluster of flowers at its apex. For this you can see the diagram given above. Pedicels or stalk of flowers are of equal in length, arising from apex of peduncle, which brings all flowers at same level and give the appearance of an umbrella. Flower of onion is actinomorphic, bisexual, pedicellate, bracteate means with reduced leaf at the base of pedicel. It is hypogynous, trimerous, where floral structures are in threes or multiple of 3. Flower is small in size and white in color. Next is perianth, which is formed by fusion of calyx and corolla and is called as tepals. There are 6 tepals arranged in 2 whorls of 3 each, means 3 plus 3. It is gamotepalous, means tepals are united. It is petaloid means look like a petal. White in color with velvet type of estivation. Androecium. Stamens are 6 in number. Polyandrous means stamens are free, arranged in 2 whorls of 3 each. They are epiphyllous means they are attached to tepals. Anther of stamen is bithecous and is basifixed. Come to gynoecium. It is tricarpellary having 3 carpels. Carpels are fused means they are syncarpous. Ovary is superior. Trilocular with 2 ovules in each locule. You can see it in TS of ovary diagram. Presentation is axile. Style is cylindrical and stigma is tri-lobed. Write floral formula. Read it step by step. Bracteate, actinomorphic, bisexual, perianth, P with 3 plus 3, androecium, A with 3 plus 3 and a line joining A with P. Then write gynoecium, G, 3 in bracket with a line below. Now draw floral diagram as given below. Here are 4 diagrams related with Allium cepa. Draw them on left side of practical notebook. Next 4 diagrams are here which you have to draw related with Allium cepa. Draw them with sharp pencil and neat labeling. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for staying with me. Subscribe the channel to get the information about my new video. Thank you so much.